Hello guys, if you're new here, you're welcome and you're watching House of Love with no other person else but Bianca Love Aim. In this house, we talk about talent. We discuss talents with nothing else but love. To all my returning subscribers, I say thank you guys so much. So today on the menu, we have donut. I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to make donut. So before we begin, please can you just punch on the red subscription button down below and also on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so for the ingredients, we'll be needing all-purpose flour, margarine, and nutmeg for flavor. We have baking powder, we have some eggs, evaporated milk, and some sugar. Also we'll be needing a pinch of salt. So I'm going to tell you guys the measurements while doing the mixture, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using my electric mixer because I want to be fast. You can decide to use your hands. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of margarine, and then I'll add I'll add about 5 tablespoons of sugar and 3 eggs. And now I'm going to mix. So at this point, I'm going to be adding my evaporated milk. That's about 1 cup of evaporated milk. So I'll add some of it and about 1 cooking spoon of flour and a pinch of salt and half a tablespoon of baking powder. And I'm going to mix. Again, I'm going to add some quantity of milk again and a 1 cooking spoon of flour and mix. And this is the last time I added everything, all of the milk and another cooking spoon of flour, and I mix. So at this stage, I'm going to grate some quantity of nutmeg for flavor. That's the last ingredient I'm using. And then I mix. So that's it. I think I'm done with the mixture. So I'm just going to mix again a little with my hand. So that's the texture I got. So while I was doing the mixture, my oil was on fire and I think it's ready, and I'm going to be using my plastic gloves to fry because I have my nails on. I have artificial nails on. So at this stage I need to be as fast as possible. Yeah, I'm trying to be very fast at this stage, but it's not really going to be easy for me. As you can see, some of them are already turning brown, golden brown, while I'm still adding. So I'm just going to use my stick to change sides. So I think some of them are ready. Some of them are ready at this stage. Yeah, that's it. That should be the color. So I'm going to take them out. Those ones that are ready, I'll take them out. So I think everything is ready at this stage. Alright guys, that's it. Take a look at it. It's so yummy. We are ready to plunder the stuff, man. As you can see, my kid is already excited. He can't wait to have this. So thanks so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye.